This is new chapter, chapter 7, lesson number 1, equations. We need to know how to deal with equations and how we can solve an equation. This is what we are going to do right now. So, when you replace a variable with a value that results in a true sentence, you solve the equation. That value for the variable is the solution of the equation. For example, I have an equation because we have equal sign here. We have right hand side is 9 and left hand side is 2 plus x. Now, you can think of this x like 7 because from your information, you know that 2 plus 7 will give you 9. So really, the right-hand side now is equal to the left-hand side because also the left-hand side is 2 plus 7, which is 9. So we can realize that really x should be 7. The lesson is very easy for everyone. You just think of the value of the variable and that's it. In example number 1, is 3, 4, or 5 the solution of the equation a plus 7 equal 11? So let's try the 3 first. Is 3 plus 7 equal to 11? Of course not, because 3 plus 7 is 10. So you can say here, no, is not a solution. Now let's try the 4. Is 4 plus 7 is equal to 11? Yes, because 4 plus 7 is 11, so the left-hand side will be the same as the right-hand side. So we can say yes, 4 is a solution. Is 5 solution of the equation? Let's try. 5 plus 7, is it equal to 11? 5 plus 7 is 12, is not equal to 11. So no, 5 is not a solution. Of course, you can know mentally what is the value of A. Many students can know mentally that the value of A should be 4 because 4 plus 7 is 11. But this is the way you are going to show the one that is a solution and the one that is not a solution. Solve mentally. G minus 7 is equal to 3. We need to know what is G. So for sure G is 10 because 10 minus 7 will give you 3. That will make the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, which is 3 and 3. So the solution is 10, which is the value of G. Very easy. Just think of the value of the variable and you will feel the problem is very easy to solve. Let's take some problems to solve. Here in problem A, is 4, 5, or 6 the solution of the equation C plus 8 equals 13? Is 4, 5, or 6 the solution of the equation of C plus 18 equals 13? So we must try every one of them. So for problem A, since I give you 3 numbers, so as I was saying, that we must try every one of them for problem A. Let's try the 4. 4 plus 8 is not equal to 13. So 4 is not a solution. Let's try the 5. 5 plus 8 really equals 13. 5 is a solution. 6 plus 8 is not equal to 13. 6 is not a solution. Now problem B. Solve 9 minus x equals 2 mentally. We know that 9 minus 7 equals 2. Then x equals 7. Problem C. The difference between an ostrich speed and a chicken speed is 31 miles per hour. An ostrich can run at a speed of 40 per hour, 40 miles per hour. Use mental math or the guess and check and revise strategy to solve the equation 40 minus c equals 31 to find c, the speed of a chicken can run. So the question now, we need to solve 40 minus c equals 31. Very easy. Just think of a number. 40 minus what will give you 31? Of course, 40 minus 9 will give you 31. So you can say c, which is this variable, equals 9. Now, in this problem, problem D, is D 3 or 4 the solution of the equation 4n equals 16? Of course, mentally, you can say that, okay, 4n means 4 by n equals 16, so for sure n is 4. Yes, I agree with you. But since I gave you some numbers, so you must show me this one a solution or not, this one a solution or not, this one a solution or not. So you must try them all. Let's try the 2. So 4 parentheses means times. 4 times 2 is not equal to 16, so 2 is not a solution. Of course, 4 multiplied 3 also will not equal to 16, so 3 is not a solution. Now let's try the last number. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16, so 4 is really a solution. How easy. Problem E. Solve 24 divided by W equal 8 mentally. So for sure, 24 divided by 3, this will give you 8, means W equals 3. So in the guided practice in problem number 1, 9 plus W equals 17. We should try the 7, the 8, and the 9. 9 plus 7 is not equal to 17, so 7 is not a solution. 9 plus 8 equals 17, so 8 is a solution. 9 plus 9 is not 17, so 9 is not a solution. Now here also we should try the 0, the 1, the 2. 8 divided by 0 is not equal to 8, so 0 is not a solution. Now 8 divided by 1 equals 8. So we can say that 1 is a solution. Eight divided by 2 is not equal to 8, so 2 is not a solution. Now solve mentally. This is what you all like, I think, because you can find mentally what number minus 11 will give you 23. Of course, it will be 34. So you are going to say 34 minus 11 equals 23. So x equals 34. Here also 4x equals 32. We know that 4 multiplied by 8 equals 32. So the variable x equals 8. In problem number 5, Mississippi and Georgia have a total of 21 electoral votes. Mississippi has 6 electoral votes. Use the mental math or guess and check and revise strategy to solve the equation 6 plus g equal 21 to find g, the number of electoral votes Georgia has. So we are trying to solve this equation now, which is 6 plus g equals 21. We know that 6 plus 15 really equals 21. So we can say that g equals 15. Now in problem number 6, Riley and her sister collect stickers. Riley has 220 stickers in her sticker collection. Her sister has 55 stickers in her collection. Riley has how many times as many stickers as her sister? So use mental math or guess and check and revise strategy to solve the equation 55x equal to 120. This is the equation we need to solve. 55x equals 220. We know that 55, if multiplied by 4, this will give you 220. So really x equals 4. That's it for our lesson for today. If you have a question, you can write it down in comments.